Hi, hello, welcome to our channel. So today we will discuss about structure of heart, anatomy of heart. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Hi, so today's class is about structure of heart. So you know very well the heart is a hollow muscular cone shaped organ. It is a hollow muscular cone shaped organ. The shape of the heart is like cone shaped, which lies in thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity between the lungs. So heart is in the size of a fist. The size is 12 centimeter into 9 centimeter, and the weight of the heart is 300 grams weight, and it is mainly enclosed in a pericardium. The heart is enclosed in a pericardium. The pericardium contains two layers. They are inner layer and outer layer. Inner layer is known as visceral layer. Outer layer is known as parietal layer. So heart is enclosed in a pericardium. That pericardium contains two layers. They are inner layer and outer layer. Inner layer is known as visceral layer. Outer layer is known as parietal layer. Between these two layers, this pericardium contains a space. That space is known as pericardial cavity. This pericardial cavity is filled with pericardial fluid. Okay. So, between these two layers, the pericardium contains a pericardial cavity. This pericardial cavity is filled with pericardial fluid. It contains pericardial fluid. So, when you see the structure of the heart you know very well, the heart contains four chambers, two auricles and two ventricles. So, two auricles are right auricle and left auricle, and two ventricles are right ventricle and left ventricle. And this right auricle and left auricle is separated by interauricular groove. It is separated by interauricular groove, and right ventricle and left ventricle are separated by interventricular septum. Okay, right auricle and left auricle are separated by interauricular groove, and right ventricle and left ventricle are separated by interventricular septum. Interventricular septum. And this right auricle and right ventricle, the right auricle opens into right ventricle by a opening called as right auriculoventricular aperture. The right auricle opens into right ventricle by a opening called as right auriculoventricular aperture. And then left auricle opens into left ventricle by an opening called as left auriculoventricular aperture. Left auriculoventricular aperture. This right auriculoventricular aperture is guarded by tricuspid valves. These tricuspid valves will act as protection for this opening. And then this left auriculoventricular aperture is guarded by bicuspid valves. This bicuspid valves acts as protection for this left auriculoventricular opening. And you know very well that is deoxygenated blood, that is impure blood, will be received in right auricle, and they are stored in right auricle and right ventricle. And through pulmonary arch, these are supplied to the deoxygenated blood or impure blood is supplied to lungs. This is supplied to lungs through pulmonary arch. And then in the lungs, the blood is purified, and then oxygenated blood is supplied to left auricle and left ventricles. The oxygenated blood is supplied to left auricles and left ventricles. From there, it is supplied to various parts of the body. So this is the basic structure of the heart mainly. This is the basic structure of the heart.